How to delete my Gmail account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your Gmail account from other devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Gmail account from other devices, open up the Gmail application. Tap on your Google profile or Gmail profile from the top right hand side. Then go to this option that says Manage your Google account. From Manage your Google account, at the top of the navigation menu, go to Security. Scroll down over here, look for your devices and tap on Manage all devices. Once you tap on Manage all devices over here, you should be able to see this option. So you can select a particular device that maybe you don't recognize over here. Once you've done that, you can tap on Sign Out and your Google account will get logged out of those devices. Just to confirm it, you can also just try updating and changing your password so that anyone who's logged into your account will get automatically logged out. This way you can go ahead and then delete my Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.